The Sport Bodywork method is the accumulation of 26 years of researching techniques that work. We've taken the best techniques and combined them for a system that works 100% of the time. If it's a muscle or joint issue, we address it in less time on the table with much less effort to the therapist, and the client experiences substantial relief in 1 to 2 sessions. You don't have to spend thousands going from seminar to seminar to determine which techniques you should learn and how to apply them. I've already done the hard work and I've eliminated the ones that don't work. If you learn the Sport Bodywork method, you will know how and when to apply each technique to resolve any musculoskeletal issues in the body. People have been conditioned to think, no pain, no gain. We have found that if you have to squirm, scream, or hold your breath, the healing stops. We have countless testimonials from people that said they had tried it all, but in just one session at our clinic, receiving a systemized approach of assessment, our Sport Bodywork method therapy, and going home to continue the healing process with 1 to 3 corrective exercises, they have made significant progress on an otherwise lost cause. Let's learn a better way to help people recover from their musculoskeletal issues. Let's learn the Sport Bodywork way.